What's up, world? It's your boy JoeJack. I'm back with another video. Today we're gonna do something a little different. I'm gonna show y'all some of my recent pickups. I got some kicks, a couple outfits and stuff like that. Like I said, I'm JoeJack Sneakers and Style, and I always put the emphasis on the sneakers, but I don't talk much about my style. So I'm gonna kind of give y'all a little insight on that and show y'all my recent pickups over the weekend. But before we get into that, I want to thank everybody that subscribed to my channel, man. I really appreciate y'all. Thank everybody that watch my videos, even if you ain't subscribed. But if you ain't, make sure you do so now and ring that bell to get notifications. Make sure you check me out on the Reason to Doubt podcast. Make sure you follow me on Instagram. That's where I'm most active, JoeJack23. And follow my style page. It's super lit. I got a lot of kick pics, got a lot of outfits. Kind of like, you know, give you inspiration on style and kind of give you some insight on my style as well. So make sure y'all check that out. And make sure y'all check out my link series. We're going to get straight into this video. Okay, first off, we got a package. I think, I'm almost sure this is my Rock Nation pack. You know, we on the podcast, Reason to Doubt podcast, kind of play on words. So big fan of Jay-Z, big fan of Rock Nation. Paper planes, clothing line. So paper planes t-shirt. Me, I'm kind of all over the place with style. I'm not really committed to a certain brand, so I just be ordering stuff and then I figure it out later. A Rock Nation tee, paper planes. And I also had another Rock Nation tee. Nipsey blue. It say no borders. That's pretty dope. And had to go with it. Like I said, I'm kind of all over the place. Like I don't, you know, I buy things and then I just put it together later. I love doing it. So paper planes hat. Next package is a package from FashionNovaMen. Some people don't like Fashion Nova. Like I said, I'm all over the place with the brands. Not really committed to one brand. You know, I at least give it a try. They got some nice stuff. It's reasonable. Like, you know, everybody don't got that bag. Let's just be real. You know. Like, I'm pretty straight, but everybody don't got that bag. And I'll just be trying to inspire people to, you know, form your own style. You know, put things together how you want to put them together. Style is subjective anyway. These are a pair of joggers. Red, black, white.
Motherfucker's turned.
He is turned up. Basic colors though, red, black. You know, you can do a lot of things with these though. Make sure y'all check me out on Instagram, see how I put them together. Next we got a little t-shirt. It's something simple. I like colors. Nothing too wild, but just say luxury. So be interested in putting that together. Last I got a pair of khaki skinny jeans. They come with this little like rope. I guess that's supposed to be like a belt. not really feeling it. So, you know me, I probably throw the Gucci belt on there, or Louis belt or something like that. Pants super lit though. I like this little style. Like I said, Fashion Nova, pretty reasonable. No crazy prices. Little drip for the low. Next up, we got another Rock Nation tee. This was from a previous Rock Nation pack, but I just wanted to show y'all. Lucky green, money green, whatever you want to call it. Paper planes. Next up, we got a pair of Nike Tech, gray, super essential. Kind of like your everyday wear, you just run into the store. Nike Tech kind of expensive, man. They need to cut some breaks on the prices. But like I said, I'm all over the place with the drip. I order stuff and then put it in my inventory, then I figure it out later. But every now and then, I get the sneaker releases from the weekend, but then I get something hype, like off the secondary sites. I get some hype, something that I've been wanting to add to my collection. So this week I'm super happy about this pickup. These was the Just Dime 2s, crazy material, quality is 1000. To me, one of the best collabs with Jordan Brand that I've seen in hand. So shout out to Just Dime. Shout out to Jordan Brand for making this happen. It's a dope shoe. Definitely a dope shoe right here. Like the gold lace tips. The Just Dime, the whole inspiration was from the shoe was like the Chanel bag, so that's what the print on the shoe was about. Cream colorway. Actually, I could probably put them with the jeans I got from Fashion Nova, so make sure y'all stay tuned to see how I'm gonna drip these. It also came with a hat, leather hat. This whole box was turned up. Like, I was super excited when I opened it. Okay. And last but not least, definitely not least, we got a super hype pickup from the weekend. Cop these off the sneaker app. Super dope shoe. I've been trying to get my Air Max game a little better, so today we got your Air Max 270, the Travis Scott edition. The shoe doing a lot, but I like that. To me, it's a challenge, you know what I mean? So be interesting how I put this together, but like I said, I'm JoeJack Sneakers and Style, so if anybody can do it, I can do it. But nice, super hype shoe to add to the collection. These going for, I think about $500 or something in my size. This is a super hype pickup. The sneaker app, I got a love-hate relationship, but you know, they blessed me this time, so shout out to the Nike sneaker app, man. Still waiting on that Nike sponsorship, so hit your boy up. But this is a super dope shoe, crazy colorway. Kind of give me the Louis Vuitton vibe. Kind of thinking the Louis belt with these. I don't know yet. Make sure y'all check me out on Instagram. It's getting drip. So that's pretty much all for my pickups. Like I said, I'm all over the place. One hat, couple shirts, joggers, sweats. Just, like I said, I'm always adding to my inventory and put it together, man. Drip, JoeJack Sneakers and Style. Appreciate y'all watching this video. It's my first haul video. I hope y'all like it. If y'all want to see some more content like this, make sure y'all put that down below in the comment section. Make sure y'all put thumbs up on the video if y'all like it. And let me know, man. I'm always here for the feedback. Let me know, because I'm trying to improve. I'm trying to push style. I'm trying to push JoeJack style. I'm trying to let y'all in, man. I'm trying to let y'all in. So let me know. I need all the feedback. So appreciate y'all watching this video. We out.